We did it, guys. We hit 70,000 subscribers here on the BMW Fanatic YouTube channel. Now, just rewinding back a few years ago when I first started it, I wanted to make a channel, right, that can offer some great DIYs for you, some different informational videos, what to do with your BMW, what mods you should do on your 335, you know, all those key aspects at that time, just because there was obviously the niche for it. So this car's been out since 2007, right? We're already 2019. I know BMW switched over to the N55, then to the B58. So hence why the next car I would buy will be for that next, you know, engine or two. That way I can continue doing those newer videos on those newer engines that you guys are probably now or so buying. Still a great market for the N54 since there's plenty out there. They're at an amazing price, but obviously the maintenance comes with it, and that's where I'm here to help from that aspect. So, you know, just rewind it back to a lot of other, you know, key DIY videos. There's a lot of stuff that goes on, you know, as far as behind the scenes, especially those long, you know, very detailed DIYs. And I try to do it as best as possible as far as the step-by-step. You know, like the valve cover gasket, that was definitely a big one, just because there was so much footage I had to go through just to nail down, you know, step by step by step. So that's why, you know, I'll have some of those longer DIYs out there, so that way you guys can get the real big picture and I don't skip anything. So that's what I've always done with key DIYs, showing you exact step by step here on the channel. A lot of great new stuff that's coming up here. I got the video for what we're gonna do for the prize giveaway, so got that coming. A few actual different DIYs, different modifications too. I got some modification videos from that, and nailing down exactly which car I'm gonna buy next, so that way I can continue doing the videos. All the N54 videos will stay on the channel, not getting rid of any of those, so those will be out there for any N54 user. But, you know, dab it into the N55 or even B58 market. That way you can continue getting those DIY videos, keeping it fresh, keeping it up to date and stuff like that. So, and then some other different ones that I think you guys will definitely like as well, BMW related, so stay tuned for that. But more to come here really soon. Yet again, appreciate everything, guys. You know, thanks for sharing, subscribing, everything. Check me out on Facebook. Very easy to find me as BMW Fanatic on Facebook. And then on Instagram, BMW Fanatic _YouTube. Like I said, easy to find me there as well. And shoot me a message on any one of those. I'd be happy to chat with you guys further or whatnot. If you need anything else, description box will have any additional stuff for you. I'll have all those links for you, everything that I mentioned, so that way you guys could just go click on them and take you right to it. All right, thanks again, everyone. Hope you have a great weekend, and take care. Talk to you soon.